grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
We are going on the Fernsehturm now.
Yeah, finally going up in the sky in the air.
Yes. Look up there.
Ja.
Sieht aus wie die Häuschen da unten, die weißen, gell? Das sieht aus wie Schwimmergärten.
Komm, ich will das така rundtour.
The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun it beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through. And every step quicker than the last, my feet tread down this beaten path, and I keep on pushing through. 'Cause I get up and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Yeah, I get up and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Oh, I've come too far in this to raise my flag and call it quits. So I keep on pushing through. Step, my heart it pounds, and yes, so sure I've had my doubts, but I must keep pushing through.
Okay,
Die ganze heiße Uhr.
if you want.
Don't let go, don't give up, there's rest for your weary soul. Time to heal, yet still you fight with what you're told. Hold on to your scars and wounds and paths of home. And I said, what would you do if you could lose? Oh,
upset because we never get to go a little bit higher on that Fernsehturm there behind me, because you can walk up the steps and reach a bit higher, and then you can be more outside like. And somehow the door there never opened, so we went back down the one step, and this elevator guy just took us back down. He was so unfriendly, so we never get to go there.
We didn't get to go on the extreme top, and we like told him we didn't get to, and he said, but there were the stairs, and he just let us go.
Yes. He was really unfriendly. Nah.
Yeah.
And 11 euro, and we didn't even see. We really did want to go up there, and he wouldn't let us in again, like, you know.
Yeah, 11 euro each. We wanted to go up here on the very top. On the very top up there. We were up there where the glass part is, like in the middle part. Wanted to go to the extreme top, and the guy just took us down the elevator, and we told him it was a mistake. And this dirty man did not give a shit. So they took 22 years for nothing, basically.
I can't begin to comprehend what you've been through. I wish it was all just pretend, just an awful dream. But please don't let your heart